Let me say this very clearly. If you are over 40 and your biggest financial pride is how much you have saved in your SACCO, money market fund, and bank, you are not ahead. You're actually late. Because at this stage of life, money that only sits there is quietly costing you freedom. In this video, I'll show you why your money should be buying buildings, not earning interest, and how professionals like you are making that shift. Because safety at 25 and safety at 45 are not the same thing. By the end of this video, you're going to see why the strategies that worked when you were starting out can actually delay freedom at this stage of life. Why owning buildings beats owning products, and how high-earning Kenyan professionals are using rental real estate to replace salary stress with real income. Stay with me. If we haven't met before, my name is Manyara Kirago. For over 20 years, I've worked as a personal finance coach and real estate mentor, helping Kenyan professionals, people working at places like Safaricom, PwC, Bamburi Cement, NGOs, banks, and regional corporates move from good income to real financial independence. Many of my clients today don't just save well. They own income-producing properties. They have dependable rental income cash flow. And most importantly, they have clarity and peace of mind about the future. And what I want to share with you today is the exact pivot point I see again and again for professionals in their 40s and 50s. Let's talk about the beliefs that keep very intelligent, hardworking people stuck. Myth number 1. As long as I'm saving consistently, I am safe. This sounds responsible. It feels disciplined. But here is the uncomfortable truth. Saving protects money. It does not multiply it meaningfully. After inflation, fees and taxes, most savings and SACCO returns barely maintain purchasing power. Meanwhile, school fees rise, medical costs rise, lifestyle costs rise. The hidden cost, you are arriving at 55 with a nice balance, but with no income engine. Myth number 2, my SACCO will take care of me. SACCOs are not bad. They are excellent for starting out your financial journey. But SACCOs were never designed to replace income. They don't scale well. They don't create independence. The hidden cost is overdependence in one institution without real capital growth or flexibility when you need it most. Myth number 3, land always appreciates. This is the most Kenyan belief of all. Yes, land can appreciate, but appreciation does not pay school fees. Appreciation does not cover medical emergencies. Appreciation does not replace salary. The hidden costs, years of capital locked up with no cash flow. Myth number 4, I'll build my rentals later on my rural plot. This one feels emotionally safe. By the time later comes, time, energy, and borrowing power have reduced. The hidden cost is postponement, when time is the one asset you can't replace. Here is a principle I want you to remember. At 40 plus, your focus must shift from saving money to building income. Let me say that again. At 40 plus, your focus must shift from saving money to building income. Not speculation, not prestige, not products you don't control. Income, because income buys time. Income buys option. Income buys peace. And in the Kenyan context where job security is uncertain, healthcare is expensive, and retirement is mostly self-funded, this principle is no longer optional. I've told you about James before, but let me tell you again. James was a senior professional in his mid-40s. With a good income, he was well respected and very disciplined. On paper, he was doing everything right. SACCO contributions, money market fund, a retirement scheme, and even a plot up country. But privately, he was anxious. When we sat down, one thing stood out clearly. James had assets, but no income outside the salary. That was the turning point. Instead of adding another product, James changed strategy. He redirected capital accumulation towards acquiring cash-flowing apartment property. Not building one, not guessing, buying an existing rental with tenants already paying rent. Today, that property covers school fees and part of his lifestyle. Salary became optional and not emotional, but strategic. And more importantly, the stress left his home. Let me simplify this for you. Stage 1, accumulate capital intentionally. This is where SACCOs and money market funds still matter, but with purpose. Not just saving, but preparing for ownership. Ignore this and money leaks into lifestyle. Apply it and money becomes leverage. Stage 2, shift from products to assets. Products pay interest, assets pay income. An apartment with tenants is an asset. A statement balance is not. Ignore this and retirement stays theoretical. Apply it and income becomes real. Stage 3, buy income, not projects. Busy professionals don't need construction headaches. Buying existing means proven rent, known expenses, predictable cash flow. Ignore this and time becomes your enemy. Apply it and systems work for you. Stage 4, systemize and scale. With the right structure, one property leads to another. Not through hustle, but through equity and cash flow. Ignore this and progress stalls. Apply it and freedom compounds. Let me address what you might be thinking. I don't have enough money. It's true, most people don't start with cash. They start with structure. It's too risky. What's riskier? Controlled rental income or hoping savings last 30 years? I don't know where to start. That's not a money problem. That's a guidance problem. And guidance is solvable. Here is what you can do starting right now. Step 1. List your assets and liabilities clearly. No judgment, just truth. Step 2. Decide what you want. Prestige or freedom. Step 3. Learn the basics of rental income and cash flow. Not jargon, just numbers that make sense. Step 4. Stop guessing alone. This is not a DIY season. These steps are realistic. Even with a demanding career and family, this is exactly what I help professionals do inside my real estate coaching work. Not theory, not hype, a structured step-by-step path from savings to ownership. Clients come in confused. They leave with clarity, confidence, and a real acquisition plan. If this video resonated with you, here is the next logical step. Book our free one-to-one strategy session with me, and in that session, you'll get clarity on the right property path for your income, goals, and receive a personalized financial and acquisition game plan, and also understand how to move from savings to owning income-producing assets. This is especially for high-earning professionals who feel time is no longer on their side. Spots are limited. The link is in the description below. Let me ask you this. Have you ever assumed owning apartment buildings was out of reach without actually testing the belief? Please tell me in the comments. And if you know somebody over 40 who's saving hard but still anxious about the future, please share this video with them. My mission is simple: to help Kenyan professionals move from salary dependence to financial freedom, calmly, strategically, and confidently. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.